Hey, we back with another video. Same day, just a different event. We're going to a car meeting at McDonald's. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars. Out here about to get this content. It's gonna be a nice little smooth ride. Got the trackhawk, got the SS's. It's gonna be a nice little ride. Finna cut up.
Who that?
You cut up today?
Got a new set of fire hawks in the back.
Alright, we got some cars out. We got about to ride at McDonald's. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cars. It's gonna be a nice little ride. Alright, y'all, we finna get another update, and this is less than 5 minutes. We're gonna have some more cars pulled up. We got Zay and Zai. Right now, we probably, how many cars I said? 11, we 13 cars deep right now. Let's start over. Alright, 13 cars. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cars out here. Finna ride 40 minutes up the road. Ooh, that GLE. That's a 63 too. A bunch of cars out here. Oh, you gonna look at the wheel? You making a sale? Look at him.
Nah, I'm just playing, bro.
Oh, what you called it? You said big shit?
Big mistake.
Oh.
Big motherfucking mistake. Big nasty. That bitch say big y'all. Way big nasty. Damn right.
Hey, pop the trunk.
Pop the who?
Pop.
Damn, no, they popping the goddamn thing. Too much stuff.
This man called me out yesterday. And called.
Hey, just find out later. I ain't got him right now. I told Wing.
That thing blowing, trying to cool that bad boy off. Nice little ride out here. I don't even think that's all the cars. Somebody else. Got a little S-Class right here. David Buster's in McDonald's.
I really ain't got a chance to get your ass like I really want. You can move. Hey, but hold on.
Right, he set the truck alarm off. That's crazy. I'm going to grip. Daytona, he got some work done to it. He set the alarm off.
It's the truth, though. I'm trying to show who's God damn.
Squatted bad. Look, he looking straight at the sky. You gotta walk around.
We'll make it that way. You get my camera out.
You need a rap.
I need a rap.
Man, that's the rapper right there.
He's a trapper now.
I'm just learning. Man, I'm learning.
He said I'm learning. How about this? We do your hood.
Let's do this.
What you gonna do my hood? Shit, what you want? Shit, carbon fiber. Bet. How about that?
I ain't got car. I got 4-inch carbon.
Yeah, we're gonna get some black rims. I need some black rims. I really want green. Everybody want green. Nah, bro. See, my green is candy green. That shit nice. But I want green and black, really. Black out there.
Get your info, Nico. I want one of these for daily.
Oh boy, boy, this shit so goddamn fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the LLC. It's like, I need me one too.
That Q50 got that like silver, grayish, bluish color. Look.
Y'all Y'all booked your boy Kept Productions, man. Kept our productions best enough photography in the line, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. You do photography or just videography too?
Everything. I'm feeling already.
Okay. It is lifted.
Woo, spiffy. That motherfucker spiffy.
That's clean. I like that. I should have brought my camera. Yes. That shit is crazy.
Damn.
Nah, I think it say hit me on the hood.
Big
Suburban hard.
Presidential.
Got some car. Hey, she said it ain't on. That's that grandpa coming through again on the. It's chopping too. They got the brush face on the brush face. Can't talk.
Make it rowdy.
We're finna take off. Hey, you don't know what that is?
Oh, it happened now.
That motherfucker hard.
You gotta get the good side. You gotta get the good side.
It got the demon hood on it too. Yeah. Oh yeah, we leaving the car meet. Look at all these trucks. All these bright lights. Should've put the GoPro on the roof. Look at them rich motherfuckers right there. I need me a truck. Oh, I park like this. That black one? Look at this one. Yeah.
Slingshot hard to hell too.
I saw that all the Jeeps.
I
Yeah.
don't think they be want to get shut down no time soon.
As y'all can see, low on gas, they was going straight to the gas station. regular is $331. They premium probably. Sheesh. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there because I think it's.
Oh wait.
Bro, I think I gotta go straight across. Yeah. Oh, that's the 351.
Oh, no, that's another one. We got spinners on that bit.
Yeah, it was cool. Cool little meet. See different folks. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. That man about to fall asleep and leave me up. Hold on, let me turn the pretty lights on the inside. Oh, shit.
That's my Lord driving, boy. Oh, y'all forgot about that.